Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it is the last day of July. How about that? It's 4:01 in the morning as I make this. Hi, my name is Rich, and we have an active storm situation to talk about today. There were a lot of showers and thunderstorms around yesterday, but I think they will be even more widespread across the area today. And some of the storms may be strong, possibly severe. Well, the Storm Prediction Center has the state in a marginal severe weather risk. We'll look at a very colorful and active future radar, give you an idea on the timing and what to expect. Plus, the next few days could be rather wet and active, but I'll look ahead for you towards the weekend. Maybe the storm's starting to thin out by then. I'm glad you're here this morning. Let's get started.
Here's the setup early this morning. As we see on the map, the frontal system stretched across extreme northwest Alabama through Mississippi back to low pressure just south of Shreveport. That'll be the big player today. Notice how the showers and storms get an early start, and notice the big surge in showers and storms late afternoon, early evening. Coming into West Alabama from Mississippi, some of the storms could be strong, possibly severe, with marginal severe weather risks across the area for damaging wind gusts from the Storm Prediction Center. Not just us, but adjoining states as well. So again, damaging wind gusts would be the main threat, maybe some hail, but it's not a tornado situation. Showers and storms today, a 70% chance, I think at least. High in the upper 80s, held down by clouds and showers. Low tonight, 73, and southerly winds prime the atmosphere. And in the upper atmosphere, a big trough of low pressure out to the west of us, so the stage is set for another big storm day tomorrow across the area. In fact, showers and thunderstorms will be widespread again, I think, on Wednesday. And there's the frontal system just to the west of us on Wednesday. It's a slow mover, and at times it stops, but it'll be a player in the storm situation not only Wednesday, but I think Thursday as well. You see the front hung up as a stationary front across northwest Alabama Thursday with more showers and thunderstorms. Rather widespread, a generous supply again on Thursday, and probably Friday as well, although we'll start to taper the rain chances down towards the weekend, and that's because the upper high over the Atlantic starts to build back into Alabama, and I think storms will start to thin out. And I think even by Sunday, the upper high is just about right over the state, so storms will become widespread, or I should say widely scattered by then. So the rain chances go down Saturday. Right now I've got them at 30%. And high temperatures back into the low 90s. And then widely scattered storms may be isolated on Sunday. I've got the rain chances a little lower on Sunday. Now here's the expected rainfall. This is the model blend. GFS is actually lighter, and the European is heavier. But 2 to 3 inches, or maybe even more in the far eastern counties. 3 to 5 inches across extreme South Alabama, perhaps. Again, the European is a little heavier, with some 4-inch amounts perhaps. Now keep in mind, in the summertime, the rainfall amounts are not even, so some places could have a lot more, and some towns will underperform. This is the tropics, and right now, the Atlantic, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico, amazingly quiet, and the European out 10 days, showing hardly anything to worry about at all. So the tropics quiet as a mouse. Stay on top of where the storms are today and where they're going to be with interactive radar. Down to the neighborhood level, and push notifications for any watches or warnings during this severe weather potential today. So get it on your phone or tablet today. Our free weather app. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather.
So I was happy to get 0.29 on the rainfall yesterday at this location, while about 2 miles up the road, 1.35 inches. So at least I got some. Maybe today is the day at your house or your town to get a nice little downpour, because a lot of the yards are looking for some rainfall, and hopefully you'll get some as well. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, and Emily. Then we're live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Ryan and I do a weather chat at 5:50 in the morning. And then we are live, our morning crew and their morning crew interacting together at 6:40 a.m. as well. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 as we continue to look at this active weather situation and your forecast across the dial whenever you want it on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. Stay weather aware with our weather app today. It'll let you know where the storms are and if there's a warning for you. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.